Hello everyone, dear Stockler bidders and buyers. Today we are in Leers in the north of France for a lot of Apple iPhone smartphones sold by Grover. Grover, which you know very well, has sold more than 40,000 products through Stockler this year across all types of categories. It is the European leader in high-tech rentals, and today we have end-of-lease products that are iPhones. We have turned on some to give you some ideas, but in this lot we have iPhone 13, 14, 15, 16, both classic models, Pro models and Pro Max models. So we have everything. Typically, if I take this one, we have a classic iPhone 13 model. It's a product, a lot of functional used items, so that means the products are 100% functional. Unlocked eye peel, which may show slight signs of wear from the rental, but must be fully functional. And so, for example, if we take this one at first glance, no major cosmetic wear to note, not on the front. Maybe we can take another one. This one, for example, it's a 15 Pro Max. This one. So here, in this case, slight marks with slight wear scratches, but presumably very small, you know. Same on the back, a perfect back. In any case, cosmetically, the products are 100% functional. Some are in their original packaging, others will not be. Some have their cable and charger, others will not. There you go. I really invite you to look at the listing details. All products are unlocked Apple. We have 12, 13, 14, 16, Pro Max, Max. We have everything. So don't hesitate to take a look. Grover will be there for this opportunity until the end of the year. So I really encourage you to take a look and position yourself on the lot. Feel free to ask your questions in the chat, request your shipping quotes, and check the listing details. It's now. Place your bids. It's great for Black Friday and Christmas and the beginning of next year. So don't hesitate. See you soon on Stockler.